Hello, people. Looking for outstanding gadgets to fulfill whatever might be missing in your lives? You might be in the wrong place. But before you seriously consider leaving, take a peek just to be sure. All the links to the products are pinned in the comments below. Let's take a look.
Runner goes. Brayling lines at the left field. Fair ball. Down the left. Down.
Hello.
This is a convenient accessory that turns your smartphone into a retro-style television, as seen in a recent Marvel Studios TV series that we will not name. The smartphone dock will become an essential part of your life. It brings together pop colors and a retro flavor design. Other uses are as a photo frame for your family, even though they hate you living in sin. Or it could be a charging station by your bedside with an alarm clock reminding you that you haven't been to church in a while. Connecting your smartphone to a lightning cable is easy. Just do this, and this, and this here, and you're done. Got it. This accessory is optimally designed to evenly channel all audio sounds to the front and back of the screen. In particular, the backside sounds great with religious content made to make you feel guilty about turning your back on God. So remember, when you need to focus on your screen, all you have to do is slide in your smartphone, anytime, anywhere. A life of sin is fun and easy, that is, until your show gets canceled. If these bicycle wheel lights look familiar, I assure you they are not. Light up your evening rides while staying seen and safe with the SpokeLite. The psychedelic light it creates on your rotating wheel is groovy. It'll make you want to smoke a bowl. Where it's legal, the lights come with Disco Select. Disco continuously cycles through the color spectrum in rhythm to an unheard Donna Summer beat. The glow increases your visibility so drivers won't do the hustle to run you down. Fueled by an efficient LED, this device has two illumination modes, steady glow and continuous flash, just like its imitators. Easy to attach, it is the perfect way to increase your safety and high status when you're riding your bike in the dark without a headlamp or rear reflector. The SpokeLite not only distinguishes your bike from people who can't afford it, but when you're riding fast, it creates the hallucinatory effect as if you were high on controlled substances. But you're not. Nice. Mad scientists and inventors know that during a rainstorm, your hair is not the only thing you want to keep dry. So one of these whack jobs invented umbrellas for your shoes. Now you can wear suede heels outside whenever it rains. Yes, indeed. Who's the whack job now? This technology is an advanced activity tracker housed in a classic watch designed for simplicity. It has no screen, but shows your activity directly on the dial with its third hand. What would you give to have a third hand? It tracks you while its GPS maps your path. It syncs with its HealthMate app and will warn you when you're overdoing it and are about to die. Remember Iron Man before he became a putrescent corpse? We do, and just like our friendly neighborhood taxidermist, we proudly keep his decapitated head on our wall, and now you can too. Close your eyes and you may hear him pleading for his life. Open your eyes and it's Iron Man. He just wouldn't do that. You said, bring me the head of Iron Man. Well, here it is, and he's still dead. Here he is with his hand, sold separately. It's before you put on the Infinity Gauntlet, and in the dark, the repulsor lights up to fire a deadly blast. So far, it has killed no one. But if it kills you, please let us know. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Iron Man. At least it's what's left of him. But wait, there's more. We have the amputated hand of the Incredible Hulk. As far as we know, the Hulk is still alive and is looking for his hand. We're hoping he can regenerate a new one because he's not getting this one back unless he finds it. Yes, we've got the shield formerly belonging to Captain America. We believe this was used to sever the Hulk's hand. Yeah. A bag for your bike. It snaps in perfectly and is big enough to hold your birth control and favorite sex toys. The hidden earphone hole actually works. Dial your smartphone or check your activity on maps. It comes with a sun visor and a reflective sign that, reflects. And it is waterproof to a degree. Walabot is a cutting-edge wall scanner that takes the technology of stud finding to the next level. It uses cutting-edge radar technology to allow your smartphone to show you precisely what is behind your walls. We found mice who are now taking a dirt nap. We also found plumbing pipes, electric wires, and a drug lord's hidden stash of illicit narcotics. Drill holes the right way and at least feel like a man. This is the world's strongest battery generator. It's noiseless and uses no gasoline at all. The unit packs a massive 1,300 watt-hours and can truly be a home generator, but technically it is not, so we can't say that it is, but we really want to. It stays powered for hours with a wide range of devices and tools that can be used anytime and anywhere. It packs so much power, you can even use it as an emergency backup for one of those dang new electric vehicles, giving you up to 7.5 extra miles on a single charge. This could be the difference between life and death, between ending up like Iron Man or like Captain America. In the case of a blackout, this battery outputs 1,800 watts of power. Lights stay on, punks stay out. When it needs its own recharging, it owns the fastest recharge rate on the market, recharging from 0 to 80% in only 1 hour. Ditch that old punk-ass generator with its gas and its noise and its high maintenance. This is the new standard for you and everyone else. Peace out.